Hello drivers, welcome to the Baldor Drive and Earn tutorial. We will be explaining how to project your weekly earnings for this program all through your handheld device. Now let's get started. The equipment you will need is a Zebra handheld and an incentive card to know your target goals. The program measures 3 categories. The route completed at the expected duration. This refers to the time that you clock in for your route and clock out for your route. Stops delivered on time according to delivery window, and stops delivered in order. If you want to know how much you earned, on the right of the screen, you'll see actual and potential earnings. On the left of the screen, you will see what tier you are. Now let's talk about how your bonuses are calculated. At each tier, you must match each of the daily targets indicated. Here is an example of the bronze tier. To reach bronze tier, the on-time target you must reach daily is 90%. The stops delivered in order is 80%, and expected completion time is less than 100%. Now let's just focus on the expected completion time for a moment. When we say less than 100%, it means you must get a lower percentage, not higher. Here is an example of how your hours are calculated. 100% represents your total hours. Here is a breakdown. If the route takes 9 hours to complete, we add 30 minutes for morning dismissal, 30 minutes for your lunch break, and 20 minutes for return time. 9 hours and 1 hour and 20 minutes equals 10 hours and 20 minutes duration. Next, let's talk about how you can check your performance stats in the Baldor Driver app. Step 1. Log in with your ID and password. Step 2. Go to Work Queue and select the route for your current day. Step 3. Press Login. Step 4. Select the 3 lines on the top left of the screen. Step 5. Select Reports. Step 6. Select Incentive History, which will give you a breakdown of your earnings. You have different options to view your history of earnings in Incentive History. Step 7. Select this quarter. Step 8. This will show you 4 different options to view your incentive history. Step 9. Select the option you want to view. This quarter is the current 3 months. Last quarter is the last 3 months. This week is the current week you work. Last week is the prior week that you worked. Step 10. Based on the option you selected, you will see the incentive breakdown for that particular time period. Each target makes up 33% of your bonus potential, which equals 100%. Step 11. Now let's take a closer look at how you're doing. Select the date below. Step 12. This will show your estimated duration for the day. Step 13 will show if you're making your on-time target. And Step 14 will show if you're on target for following your route sequence. Now let's take a look at the tiers and how the earnings are measured. There are 4 tiers: Platinum, Gold, Silver, and Bronze. At each tier, you will be paid per stop and per case. Platinum is $1.50 per stop and 15 cents per case. Gold is $1.25 per stop and 10 cents per case. Silver is $1 per stop and 5 cents per case. Bronze is $1 per stop and 3 cents per case. One of Baldor's top priorities is to elevate the service and reward you for your excellent performance, enhancing the customer experience while rewarding you for the hard work that you do. Drivers that are eligible for the program are first run, second run, and overnight drivers. You also must make sure you are up to date on all safety training. Drivers who are not eligible are new hires that are still in training. Finally, the most important message here is that this is our way of saying thank you. You are the backbone of the company. The friendly face every customer sees as a reflection of Baldor, the last point of customer contact. We appreciate your hard work. Thank you. If you have any other questions about the program or you would like to report an issue, please contact the transportation team at one of the numbers listed below. Thank you and have a great day.